Namaste students, welcome to our today's video Nutrition in Animals part 4. Let us see esophagus. Esophagus is also called food pipe. From pharynx, food substance enter into food pipe. Pharynx is the common passage of windpipe and food pipe. Esophagus runs along the neck and the chest. The food is pushed down by a special movement called peristalsis movement. It is a movement of regular contraction and expansion. Food transport through food pipe through this movement. Here, this muscular tube contracts and this part, the tube expands. Again, through regular contraction and expansion, this food substance is pushed down and reaches to our stomach. Stomach is a thick-walled bag-like structure. It is located in left side of our abdomen. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is a sac-like structure where food substance enter from esophagus. Stomach's wall secretes digestive juice called gastric juice, which contains hydrochloric acid, pepsinogen and mucus. Hydrochloric acid or HCl kills the bacteria that enters along with food. It makes the medium inside the stomach acidic, which activates the pepsinogen. Pepsinogen is a digestive juice secreted from the wall of the stomach, which activates in presence of HCl into pepsin. Pepsin helps to digest protein into peptones. Then mucus is also a component of digestive juice, which protects the inner wall of the stomach from actions of HCl. Stomach is made up of protein. That strong enzyme pepsin and HCl can digest whole stomach. So the inner wall of the stomach is protected by mucus.